I bought some earbuds, and this video is about Soundcore earbuds. They're called the Life Note 3i earbuds. But here we go. Let's go ahead. It's a little piece of tape here. I'm being a little theatrical. It was a bit much. I guess I'm being extra with all this, but I just wanted to use this on camera. I love this. I bought this. Where did I get this? Was it Lowe's or Home Depot? I think it was one of the two. I think Home Depot, but in any event, I think it's absolutely amazing. I just wanted to show everybody. My box cutter, I didn't need to do that. But anyway, here's the box here. All right. So it says Soundcore by Anker and Life Note 3i. These have noise cancellation, and it comes with a charging base or station. I think they call it a charging dock. And it comes with this cord here, these extra pieces that go in the earbuds here. So the it says it has the charging case. You can get 36 hours with the charging case. What is that? Anyway, 9 hours of. And batteries last 9 hours, so the playtime is 9 hours long. That's good. Or it lasts 9 hours long. That's good. All right, here's the case. It's kind of smooth, so I can tell it's gonna be easy for me to just drop this. Slip right out of my hand. Nice little holder here. And there they are. Can you see that? So these are definitely lightweight. They look really nice. I think that they are designed well. They look, really good. It says left and right on the inside here. So this is the right, and now we have the left. Wow, so they are snug. I put them in, and I can tell they really are going to block out a lot of extraneous noise or outside unwanted noise or audio. I can tell that this is probably going to have really great noise cancellation. Capability. Wow, just taking them out of my ear like that. Wow, blocked out a lot of the outside noise here. But yeah, they look good. They're all black, as you can see, with the gray gummy texture, gummy kind of earpieces at the end. What do you call these? Drop a comment and let me know what these are called. I know, but I don't know these days. I can't think of it. I'm tired. Drop a comment and let me know what the tips of these earbuds are called, please. Right, you got these two little pieces at the end here. They go into this rest. These pieces rest obviously in this base here. That's how they connect to charge. I'm back to give you an update on these earbuds, but I'll just get right to the point and say that I think that in terms of the audio quality, they are phenomenal. They really do block out the outside noise. Noise cancellation is terrific. It's great. In fact, when I just put them in my ear, without putting on sound from my device, there is an appreciable difference in what I can hear with and without the earbuds. In other words, the sound dampening or reduction is great. I pointed out in the beginning that the case I thought was slippery. It is slippery, and I'm going to look for a third-party product that I can use with it, because I am concerned about me dropping the case, but I'm also concerned that I'll lose it, and so I'm going to look for a third. I did some looking around. We'll look around some more, see if I can find online a third-party product that will address those two concerns. If I find one, a silicone case or leather case or something that has a clip that I can clip it on my bag or my belt loop or something like that, then that would address those two concerns for me. All right, so quality is phenomenal. And if you have any question about noise reduction capability, I should say, in my opinion, it's great. Having a Samsung smartphone that that's Android based, I needed to go to the Google Play Store and I downloaded the app. I searched for it, found it, and installed the app, and it was very intuitive in terms of walking me through, and discovered the earbuds. I connect it, and it is a rather and has a very intuitive layout, and there are nice options and features in the app, in my opinion. So in the app there is an area where you can control or select the ambient mode. There's the noise cancellation, the transparency mode, and the normal mode. Noise cancellation, you can tell, you click it on and off, and there's a huge difference. And normal is just normal. It's just without noise cancellation as far as I can tell. So there's also a part of the app where there's an equalizer feature. So there's a part of the app where you can either select the default equalizer or create like a custom one or more. As far as I think you can have more than one equalizer profile or settings. In terms of controlling the earbuds with the two buttons on both sides, there's, if you press once, twice, or hold, depending on which side, you can do something with the earbuds. You can control some aspect of what you're listening to. So, for example, if you press once with the left, it's volume down. If you press once on the right, it's volume up. With the left one, if you press it twice, you can move next in terms of what you're listening to, so you can move forward. And then if you hold for 2 seconds, from what I'm understanding on both, you can switch from noise cancellation mode to regular or to the normal mode. Anyway, I'm very pleased with my purchase. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this, I bought these from Best Buy. So I've been wearing these Soundcore earbuds around the house here. I haven't made it to the gym yet, but again, I newly signed up. I just recently signed up for the gym, and I'm eager to start working out in the gym and here at home. But that said, and it's going to be great to have these earbuds in the gym, because gyms can be loud and noisy and so forth, and I'll be able to cancel out that outside noise really well, and the quality is rich, and the bass, by the way, is great, and that's important to me. I've bought earphones and been very disappointed if one, the volume is not loud enough, and these are great in that way, and if the richness is not there of sound and bass, I've been disappointed when the earphones don't have bass. So the bass quality, the overall sound is rich with great bass, and they're really, really, really amazing. So yeah, that wraps up this video. This was longer than I had hoped. So thank you if you watched all the way through to the end here. I appreciate you for staying with me and just for watching. Check out some more videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like the video. And with all of that said, folks, have a wonderful day. Take care.